Hello everyone, this is Scott Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today we have this Bostik No More Nails Classic N310 multi-purpose construction adhesive. This is one of the most popular and fast-moving product by Bostik, a versatile construction adhesive suitable for bonding a wide range of construction materials for internal and external applications. Let's talk about the key features of this product. Bonds to most surfaces, high modulus, easy gunning, fast curing, applicable to both internal and external applications, and polystyrene safe. In terms of application, Bostik No More Nails Classic N310 can be applied either as a two-way stick or a one-way wet stick adhesive. Let me show you. Before that, for surface preparation, please make sure that all the surfaces are clean and dry, free from all loose paint, grease, dust, and release agents. To begin, cut the tip of the nozzle at a 45-degree angle to allow a 4 to 5 mm bead. Next, open the cartridge. Attach the nozzle and place it into a caulking gun. For the first method, two-way stick, apply adhesive to either surface. Press against other surface to transfer adhesive. Then pull both surfaces apart. Allow adhesive to tack off for 2 to 5 minutes. Then join by firmly pressing together to ensure both surfaces are bonded. For second method, one-way wet stick. Apply adhesive to either surface. Press together both of the surfaces. Hold it in place using a clamp for 24 hours or until the adhesive sets. For polystyrene application, you may use the above methods, but after ensuring a good surface wetting, the materials should be separated up to 5 minutes before allowed to dry 2 to 4 hours. For heavy materials or high stress loading, you need to apply a 4 mm bead along all mating surfaces. Nail around the perimeter, sufficient to hold the two materials together for a minimum of 8 hours. Do you know that mirror staining is not caused by using construction adhesive, but instead the quality of the mirror coating? The coverage of Bostik No More Nails Classic N310 is approximately 10 lineal meter of 6 mm bead from a 275 ml cartridge. Please take note that Bostik No More Nails Classic N310 has a shelf life of 12 months from the date of manufacture. For technical data and limitations, please visit Bostik Smart Support at www.bostik.com. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you in the upcoming videos. Bye bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Bye bye.